Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, because what you're about to see is not just a car, not just an SUV, and not just a Rolls-Royce. This is Keyvany's Hayula II, a machine so outrageous, so wild, and so unapologetically over the top, it makes Dubai itself look subtle. This isn't your average Cullinan. No. This is a Rolls-Royce that decided luxury wasn't enough, that elegance was too boring, and that the world needed to see what happens when a British palace on wheels meets a German tuner with absolutely no chill. And the result? Well, let's just say it spreads its wings. Literally. Let's start with the exterior, because oh boy, this thing does not whisper wealth, it screams it at the top of its lungs. Keyvany slapped on a wide-body kit so bold it could make even a Lamborghini Urus feel shy. Fender extensions, massive side skirts, reworked mirror caps, and even extra trim on the rear pillars. And just when you thought they'd stop, they threw in a new front bumper with more daytime running lights than an entire car dealership lot. The spirit of ecstasy may still sit proudly on the hood, but everything else has been turned up to 11. Now spin around to the back, and suddenly you're in a motorsport fever dream. A brand new diffuser with a pair of extra brake lights dead center, stacked exhaust tips blasting out like jet engines, and not one but two spoilers, because apparently one just isn't enough. Oh, and those wheels? They're massive, they're flashy, and they somehow make the whole thing work. The body's dressed in white, but the devil's in the details, because here's where the pink comes in. Subtle pink pine stripes outside, and then when you open the doors, bam! Pink everywhere. That's right, the interior is not for the faint of heart. Step inside and you are immediately swallowed by seas of bubblegum pink leather. The seats, the belts, the door sills, everything is dripping in pink, branded with Keyvany's logo, the letter K stamped everywhere like it's marking its territory. And because subtlety is illegal here, the headliner is custom too, sparkling with starlights that form more Ks above your head. It's not an interior, it's a nightclub, a pink, glittering, million-dollar nightclub on wheels. But let's talk about what this car means, because in Dubai, this isn't just transport, it's theater. This Cullinan doesn't just take you from point A to point B, it announces your arrival like a fireworks show. It tells the world, yes, I have money, yes, I want you to notice, and yes, my SUV is pink inside. What of it? Keyvany hasn't said whether this Hayula II was a private commission from some oil tycoon or if it's a one-off marketing piece to grab headlines. Either way, it's working, because here we are, mouths wide open, asking ourselves, do we love it or do we hate it? And the truth is, we don't know. It's flashy, it's borderline kitsch, it's excessive, it's insane, and that's exactly the point. So here's the million-dollar, or more likely multi-million-dollar question. Would you drive it? Would you dare roll through your city in this pink and white beast of luxury and sanity? Or would you hide behind tinted glass, embarrassed but secretly thrilled? One thing's for sure, Rolls-Royce gave the world ultimate class. Keyvany looked at it and said, cool, now let's make it insane. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the result. The Keyvany Hayula II, equal parts shocking, fascinating, and absolutely unforgettable. Because in a world where most SUVs blend into traffic, this one doesn't just stand out, it takes flight.